Hi traders. So in today's video I will talk about how to become a professional trader. So the first step is create your own strategy. So you have your own personality and your own lifestyle, and you have to adjust this to your trading. So please try to create a strategy that reflects your personality and your lifestyle. The second thing is take control of your emotions. So this is harder than it sounds, because we are human beings and we make mistakes. So just make sure that when you trade, you write down your mistakes to a paper, because you will make mistakes no matter what. So just analyze them and try to avoid them in the future when you are trading. And believe me, if you can eliminate your emotions from your trading, you will be a much better trader than you are now. So the fucking mosquitoes, man. So the next thing is practice, practice, practice. So when you are trading, you always try to get better, and it is like life. You always try to get better, and you fail, you lose, but when you actually learn from your mistakes, you will be much better than you were when you started the journey. So when you fail, don't blame yourself that you are a bad trader, you won't succeed in this business, because you will if you have the fucking power in your mind to process the informations and just smash the markets. It is fucking hard, I know. I am a trader for 6 years now, and I was down and up and down and up, and man, it won't be a journey that lasts for, I don't know, 1 year and you will be a millionaire. It will be a several years when you start to realize that, oh man, I make some money, I can travel, I can live in the woods, and yeah, it is a really, really good feeling. So maybe the last thing is that I would recommend to you is stress less. So trading is a fucking stressful job, and maybe it is more stressful than not any other job, but traders often just jump out of windows when they lose. So don't do that. That is stupid. You have an amazing life ahead of you, and you just have to believe in yourself and beat the market. And yeah, remember to stress less, and sometimes spend time with your friends, with your family, obviously, with your loved ones, and just enjoy the small things in life. For example, I really like nature when it surrounds me, because it gives me an inner peace, and it is, for me at least, a key element to trading. So these were my top tips today, and I wish you the best. And yeah, just practice, try to take control of your emotions, create your own strategy, stress less, enjoy life, and just trade. Ciao.